Life is your choice. Everything is your choice. Everything that has happened to you so far, everything that is happening in your life right now, and everything that is going to happen to you in the future, good or bad, it was, it is, and will be your independent choice. It's an illusion that we all live in the same world. The fact is, 7.7 billion people have their own different worlds. Look around you. For some, life is so easy, and for others, it's quite difficult. For some, it is full of abundant opportunities, while others have to struggle even for the basics. For some, life is full of joy and love and making memories, whereas for others, it's miserable. It seems so unbalanced and quite questionable. That how can life be such a blessing for some and endless suffering for others? Nature can never be discriminating. It is always just to all human beings. So then, how does this entire phenomena work? Well, it's quite simple. Everything that happens to an individual is purely out of his independent choice. Yours and only your choice. Without your permission, nothing exists in your world. There's an immense power at your disposal which you can use to your advantage. All you need to do is to understand, embrace, and learn to use it. You can literally choose everything you want. The kind of person you have dreamt to be, the kind of life you want to manifest, the kind of things you want to experience. You can design every outcome so to satisfy your desires. You can choose to be rich, be wealthy and prosperous. You can choose to be healthy, have a great body, look absolutely stunning and handsome, or most beautiful. You can choose to be a millionaire or be famous. Choose to be the absolute best version of yourself. You can choose your companion and the kind of relationship you want. You can choose your surrounding, the kind of people you want to hang out with, the kind of workplace you want to be in, or maybe even build one. Choose the kind of lifestyle you want to experience, the destinations you want to travel, the impact you want to leave on this world. Choose. Choose wisely. Choose with full awareness and be aware of the choices you make. The problem with most of us is that we don't realize that our whole life is a product of our choices. We truly don't understand how this power works. Maybe because we haven't realized it yet, or maybe because we don't want to take the blame of all the wrong that happened to us. We don't want to hold ourselves responsible for the sufferings, the agonizing pain and the dreadful situations we have experienced. But, on the other hand, we eagerly take pride and credit for all the good that has happened to us. It's just as if we want to have heads on both the sides of the coin. Well, I hope you understand that it doesn't work that way. You have to become solely responsible in order to attain these powers. You cannot change the things which you are not responsible for, because you cannot change the things you don't own. And when you blame someone else other than you, you are putting yourself at the mercy of others. You are giving away your power to choose. And henceforth, others will decide what can be done with the situations further. Why most people aren't successful? It's because of this attitude of theirs. The attitude which compels them to blame others for their own deprived situation, for their own failures, for they not progressing or achieving happiness. Whereas, look at the leaders, the achievers and the successful people. The attitude which made them reach such heights starts with clear responsibility. They learn to take complete responsibility of their life and the lives of people associated with them. They don't step back when things go south. Instead, they step up. Neither do they start blaming for failures, nor do they get excited about receiving credits upon success. They are committed to the purpose. Their cause is greater than themselves. To truly understand this power, you will have to accept. Accept that it was your choice. Even if you don't truly understand at this moment of time, that's okay. Still, you need to accept. Because you cannot change what does not belong to you. Something that you don't own. You have the power only over those things which you own. And when you try to change something which you don't own, you are going to run into more trouble. But, on the other hand, when you accept, magic begins. The acceptance and owning up will not make you small, but it will definitely lower your ego. It will bring peace. It will calm the storm that's been inside for such a long time. A storm arising from the feeling that you are being controlled rather than having the control. This peace will lift the fog of illusion and bring clarity to your mind. The more peaceful your mind will become, the quieter you will get inside. The easier it will get for you to see how you made such horrible choices. How you chose to experience certain emotions and go through such adversities. How you chose out of fear and created losses. How you chose out of lack and experienced more scarcity. How you chose out of insecurity and felt miserable. How you chose out of ignorance and wasted your time. How you chose out of hurts, anger and guilt, trying to prove that you were right and others were wrong. Leading a pointless life, sacrificing your happiness, peace and sanctity. How you choose your life story, a story that you keep on ruminating in your mind like a classic. The story that you keep on telling everyone and persuade them to agree that yes, life was unfair to you. Life was tough on you. Life was full of hardship, and that is the reason for you being a failure. Reason for you living a mediocre life. Reason for you being ordinary. The truth is, you are no ordinary human. In fact, it's quite the opposite. You are simply extraordinary. You are born unique. You are one among 7.7 billion people in the entire world. There is no second you. You are one of your kind. And everything is your choice. You can choose to believe in your limited conditioning or choose to break free from it. You can choose to be in the same surroundings, keep on believing the same things, do the same things, be the same you, and keep on having the same outcomes. Or change. Change your beliefs, change your actions, change your surroundings, change your priorities, learn new skills, upgrade yourself, and become a new, better version of yourself. It's a myth that you are a result of your surroundings. Your surroundings are a result of your choices. Change everything that you want to change. There is no external force, there is no external God, and if it's there, He is waiting for you to make the first move, because God helps those who help themselves. What are you waiting for? Stop thinking about the consequences. Stop thinking about what others will think. Stop thinking about what will happen to your current life. Because everything is ever changing and only change is constant. So change things the way you want them to be, or things will change, but not the way you want it. Be bold, be courageous, be willing, and make your move. Cause luck, destiny, and life favors the choosers and not the beggars. And once you have made your choice, act. Act immediately. Because action is the only thing that will solidify your choices. Your actions become the roots to the seed of choices that you sow. The speed and intensity of your action will determine how faster, how deeper these roots will grow, and how strongly it will hold on to the grounds. Once the seeds are sown and the roots are grounded, all you need to do is keep on nurturing them. Nurture them with your vision, your knowledge, and your intent. Act now. Write every day. What are your dreams? What kind of life you want? What kind of experiences you want? What kind of people you want in your surrounding? And act accordingly. You are at the right time. You have arrived at the right moment. You invited this knowledge, this wisdom to your awareness. Because somewhere something changed. Something has altered in your consciousness, and you chose to alter your reality. Trust yourself and choose. Choose love. Choose peace. Choose knowledge. Choose to celebrate. And choose abundance. Because life is your choice.